Hi, I'm Patrick with Lone Star Turf. There's quite a few reasons that people choose to go with us. We use all in-house crews. We're not using subcontractors to do your job. Here at Lone Star, we are a quality-based company, not a quantity-based company, where we care about you as a client and customizing each aspect of the process to conform with your needs.
So I actually have some other friends that have turf, and I always remember going over to their place. Everything looks clean, and he also had a putting green in the backyard, and I just thought that was the coolest thing.
One of the main reasons people choose to go with us here at Lone Star Turf is comforting knowing that I'm from here and you're going to see my face again, whether it's at a restaurant, whether it's at the grocery store.
We've recommended him several times, and more recently with the ice storm here in Austin, his crew came out and helped us clear a bunch of the upper branches in our oak trees, cleared those out. And I let a number of my golf friends know about it, and he and his crew came out and cleared the oaks from their property too.
I no longer have to clean up mud after the dogs, which is amazing. Our friends come over, we can actually use the yard. We go out in the grass. Before it was just kind of something we looked at and we didn't really go in. We don't have to water it, we don't have to mow it. It's been really, really great.
I'm Patrick with Lone Star Turf. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm local. I'm here in Austin.